Welcome back to your YoERP web training series. In video 6 we added products. In this video we add clients, your customers. In your YoERP, clients and customers mean the same thing. Every invoice, quotation and many POS sales need a client. This is checklist step, add clients. On the business dashboard, find add clients in the setup checklist and click go. That opens the client create screen. If it's no longer on the pending list, you can go to the sidebar, then click go on people, and then click clients. This is your customer database. From here you search clients. You can export list and open individual records for invoices, statements and notes. The demo company already has sample clients. On go live you add real customers before issuing live invoices. So we can create a client from here. Click create client. So we have got client type. If the client type is an individual, that's a person, for example a walk-in patient or a retail customer. If it's a company, it's a business you invoice, for example a corporate account or medical aid. Then we have got branch. Branch links the client to a location, for example Harare head office, or leave no branch shared if they belong to a whole company. Then we've got category. Category is optional grouping for filters and reporting, for example retail, corporate and medical aid. So here you select your client type. If it's an individual, then you select individual. If it's a company, then you select company. So we'll start with an individual. So for an individual, we have got name. Then you put on the name there. Then date of birth. You put on the gender. Then we have got external ID, email. So for an individual, enter name, it is required. Date of birth is required for individuals in this form. Then gender and ID details help with healthcare and compliance record. For national ID, you may see a verify button if ID verification is enabled. That checks the ID against an external service. Then for a company, we have got name is the legal or registered name. Then trade name is what appears on documents if it differs. For example, ABC Holdings Private Limited trading as ABC Medical. Then we have got contact details. We have got mobile, tel, zip. So you add mobile and email. It's used for invoices, reminders and WhatsApp campaigns if those are enabled. Contact details also appear on statements and help staff find the right customer quickly. Then we have got currents. Currents sets the client's default billing currents. So we looked at the currents in video 4, where we set up currencies. Then we've got pay term and payment type. For example, the pay term For example, 30 days means invoices are due 30 days after invoice date. Cash customers can leave this blank or use 0 days. Then you have got tax and compliance. For Zimbabwe operations, capture TIN, VAT number, and ZIMRA auth code where applicable. These support fiscal invoices and tax clearance check. On a live system with the ZIMRA integration, you can verify tax clearance from the client record later. We'll cover that in advanced training, not in this Go Live video. Then we have got address. So complete the address field for documents and reporting. Postal address is used when it differs from the physical address. Then we have got the photo here. And the in the customs field. And then status. Set status to active for customers you can invoice and sell to. Other statuses are pending, inactive, deceased, or archived. So you control whether the client is used in day-to-day work. So you can create user record only if it's relevant, usually for linking to internal users, not typical customers. Then you have to save the client after you've filled in all the details. You click save, and then the customer will now appear on your client's list. So let's go back to the client's list. So from here you can either view, edit, or delete the client. So let's view one of these clients. So a client record is the hub for invoices and quotations, statements, PDF summary of balance and activity, notes and files for internal follow-up, portal access, optional customer login to view their own invoices. Then for Go Live, you need at least one active client so you can complete the invoice checklist steps next. So as you can see here, we've got the total invoiced, all posted billings tied to this client. You see them here. Then outstanding paid invoices, portal access, okay. And then for written detail, you can always open LAN on the checklist, or you can always go to the knowledge base and go to people and communication section, clients. So when your core customers are in the system, mark add clients as done on the checklist. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video where we add suppliers.